Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming state requirements and securing your commission, then get a bond and any mandated training. Once done, buy E&O insurance and a compact travel kit so you're ready to work. Next, create profiles on top signing platforms, add clear headshots, and link payment accounts. This gets you visible to signing services. Make sure your calendar syncs and notifications are enabled because timely responses win repeat work. You optimize each profile with keywords like loan signing agent and mobile notary, set competitive rates, and display exact availability. Then reach out to title companies, real estate agents, and local lenders. Introduce yourself, offer sample turnaround times, and request onboarding steps. Also rehearse the signing process and client scripts so you appear confident and efficient. When a booking arrives, confirm in writing, verify ID requirements, and you finish each signing by checking every signature, timestamping when required, and immediately uploading completed packets. Once uploaded, request a review and follow up for future work. Good ratings yield more orders. Track income and receipts for taxes, and set reminders for renewals. If you encounter problems, missing docs, unclear ID, or platform disputes, document everything, notify the client and platform support, and escalate with evidence. That process protects your payment and reputation, so act quickly and calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.